Hi, welcome to the Machines of the Futures. So I asked ChatGPT if my strategy of buying and selling at the same time would be a good strategy. The strategy basically would be if there's a high ATR, uh, would buying and selling with a 10-point stop loss, 30-point take profit, would it work? So let me pull it up. Here basically is the one you can see the sources. This is the one with search turned on. Probably says to focus more on directional trading. I gave you some charts. I'm selling and buying at the same time. Let's see what it says. Gonna get a summary at the end. Hold on. This buy-sell simultaneous approach can be effective with high ATR as long as you manage stop loss and take profit independently and react to volume momentum cues. It's essential to stay adaptable, adjusting stop loss. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what a summary can tell us. Can this be my full-time job? We'll see. So number three is pretty interesting. Market condition awareness. This strategy may work better in trending markets where one side can reach TP. In a range bound markets, you'll risk frequent stop loss. You'll basically reach your stop loss. Uh, momentum, to use them as signal. Consider trailing your stop loss on the winning side. Or close, yeah. Well, this is kind of my idea. If I'm winning on one side, I'll just close one of the positions. It actually will take you faster than you might think. You might think you're gonna spend all day waiting for a market to move one side to choose a direction, but actually it should only take you a couple hours or so, few hours. So, so yeah, make sure you're adjusting your stop loss take profit to the ATR. So moving them dynamically with the current market volatility. Will I make will I make money? You also got to worry about the fees. Psychological discipline. So practice in a demo account before committing any money. Move your stop loss, take profit, or just exit out the losing position. Let the winners ride. Based on the charts, can this work recently? So I uploaded a few charts a couple minutes ago. Let's see. Let's see. This strategy could have worked in trending sections of the recent charts. So basically, it says be dynamic with your levels. Yeah. Ah, look, it says it has potential. It has potential. That's pretty cool. Like I said, we did upload some charts that we got laid out with the ATR. I just get an idea. Uh, Based on the first chart, which would basically be this. This is a 1 hour chart. It was kind of zoomed out. Basically, this would have been like the first chart I sent it. So let me ask. Uh, Based on the first chart, could this have worked? So once again, this is the first chart. On the first chart, uh, selling and buying would have been profitable during the uptrend if managed actively. So you still gotta watch the charts. It's not gonna be just set it forget it type of thing. But I mean, imagine buying and selling over here. It moves higher, or at least it starts to move higher. You close out of your sells, and then let your runners ride. That's a easy 30 points for the ES. So, what about over here? Let's see. 97. This is like 20 points. 20.1. So that would have been 10. So like, especially like in this section right here, you wouldn't even have to guess the direction of the markets, which is always a pretty nice thing to have. All right. I think I think Chat Chat GPT is a fan of my strategy. This says I have to keep watching the charts. Some traders trade all day, but this seems like a market where, I mean, wow, look at this. What is this? I gotta do this really quick. Hold on. Okay, so let's see. 10 points, 58, and 30 points, 18. I don't even know if I have to draw the buy side. Let's see. $48. Yes. So you bought and sold at the same time. Maybe I could do two charts. Fuck. When was this? November 6th. Okay, let's say I want to buy over here. 44. That's 34. Okay, so we sold over here, and we bought over here. Obviously, this one lost out. Then we could forget about this one, close the position. A nice 30-point winner. And this isn't chop. This is this isn't chop, so it's not gonna always be 10 points. Could be more, but zooming in here especially, November 6th on a 1 minute chart. Ooh. Okay, November 6th, 5. So yeah, I mean, look at this chop. Obviously, it looks kind of bullish. But what if you bought and sold over here? I remember this wick. What if you bought and sold over here? 49 and a 59 would be over here. So it wouldn't hit your stop loss. But then what is it? 49. 50, 40, 30, 20. There you go. It would hit your take profit, and you wouldn't even have to decide what direction. I mean, it's above the moving average, right? They tell us to buy above it, but if you didn't buy over here, well, you're basically screwed, right? That's why I'm always trying to come up with this idea of trying to sell and buy at the same time. I mean, this is beautiful, right? This is a pretty beautiful setup. We could always go to a section of the chart where it's not so bullish. Okay, it's above the 50. Are you supposed to buy over here? Is it going to break out? What have you bought and sold over here? What have you sold and bought over here? What have you sold and bought over here? Is this a breakout on the 5-minute chart or a move lower? Then we get a signal confirmation here, move lower. Are you supposed to watch the charts for 6 hours? I mean, and this is overnight too, so you probably would have missed the move anyways. This is probably after news, so this doesn't count. Get a nice bounce, reversal. Price also reversed from here, move lower. So this is like support and resistance right here. You people would normally buy at support, looking for a move higher. What actually we got was a move lower. So that also would have been a good idea for the strategy. And this is the end of the day, so you would have been managing it. Probably would have closed out the losing position and let the winners run. We did get a nice bounce over here. So these are like little tiny baby scalps. So let's see. That's overnight. This is the morning. This was a nice trending day. So I mean, look, it broke support and moved lower. And look at all these moves that are bouncing off of new support. Are you supposed to buy here? What have you sold and bought, right? Sell and buy at the same time. You would have gotten your move. 30 points. So there's these weird market conditions that sometimes, I mean, it was easy. We will all be making money every day, but it's not. It's just, it's like automated trading, but you're selling and buying at the same time. You're actively managing your position. You're actively trading the markets. So that were a few examples. I think I think that's it. It'd be kind of nice if they give you a indicator that would show all that stuff. Buy and sell. They're charging for autofib now. Whatever. All right. Well, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.